Hey guys, we're here reviewing the MAONO Monitorable Studio Microphone Kit, AU-PM401H. Let's take a look inside. The box looks pretty nice on the outside.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
On the top layer here, we got some user manuals, pop filter, windscreen. Let's take a look underneath here. Alright, this looks like the studio arm. Down here we got the headphones. Like that. So pretty good. Nice red accent to the side. Got a nice long USB cable here. A cable tie. Everything's branded. You got MAONO symbol on the pop filter. MAONO on the fire ties. Just like this holder for the stand. Let's take a look at the microphone. It's really nice. Just heavy duty. I'll take a look again when it's all set up. Also didn't realize there's a stabilizer on the bottom layer. So there's some more stuff in the box as well after you remove that. Hey guys, so I've been using the MAONO AU-PM401H Monitorable Studio Microphone Kit. It's a nice little kit. It comes with a stand, a headset, and a monitorable mic. The headset's really nice. The audio quality of the microphone's really good. Everything's really clear. I switched from a Blue Yeti, and everyone I talk to on Discord or record videos for while I'm streaming, everyone says that it's really clear. So I highly recommend it. It comes in a nice box, everything in it that you would need to start streaming or start recording at home.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, if you leave me a comment, I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.